Hello guys, today we're going to focus on two important topics in English, past simple and past continuous. First of all, past simple. We use past simple for actions that happened at a definite time in the past. For example, Ulan graduated from university last year. He was graduated last year. Last year, definite and stated time. Secondly, we use for actions that happen immediately one after the other in the past. For example, Alziar closed the front door and locked it. Alziar first closed the door and second he locked it. яғни бірінен кейін бірі қайталанған іс-әрекет. And for actions which won't take place again. яғни енді қайталанбайтын actions. For example, history. Edmund Hillary and Norgay Tenzing climbed Mount Everest in 1953. That won't take place again. And we use two types of verbs for past simple, irregular and regular. If it's regular, we just add ed. And if it's irregular, we just change the verb. For example, go, went, have, had, run, ran, write, wrote. We just have to memorize the irregular verbs. And to form negative sentences of past simple, we use did not plus verb 1. For example, he did not eat last night. Last night, definite time. And to form interrogative sentences, we put the it first. Did I eat? Did I go? Did you walk? Did he study? Did she sleep? And etc. And time expressions. From these time expressions, we know that this is a past simple. For example, yesterday, the day before yesterday, a week, a month, a year ago, in 2020, in my childhood, when I was 5 years old. And secondly, it's past continuous. We use past continuous for an action that was in progress when another action interrupted it. For example, Diana was cooking dinner when Lana called. When Diana was cooking, that was in progress when suddenly Lana called. And different for past simple from past simple is that past simple is a shorter action. And past continuous is a longer action that was in progress at a certain time. For example, I broke my leg when I was skiing. We were watching TV when the power went off. As I was going to work, I saw an old friend. While I was studying, I suddenly felt sleepy. And secondly, for two or more simulations actions in the past. яғни одновременно болып жатқан екі не одан да көп іс-әрекетке. For example, Ken was washing the car while Alexei was tidying the house. That actions happened in the same time. For example, Ken was washing and Alexei also was tidying. And also, more examples, she was doing her makeup while she was talking over the telephone. For example, I'm doing my makeup and I'm also talking with my phone. And they were drinking a cup of coffee while they were sitting at a restaurant. For example, I'm sitting here and I'm explaining the rules for you. And thirdly, for actions which was in progress at a stated time in the past. яғни өткен шақта нақты уақытта прогрессте болып жатқан іс-әрекеттер. Мысалы, we don't mention when the action started or finished. At 7 o'clock that morning, I was preparing my things for work. Yesterday at 10 p.m., I was climbing the tree. At the same time, 2 years ago, we were visiting my parents. We don't know when that action started or finished. We just know the certain time that action was in progress. And time expressions of past continuous at that moment, at the same time, while, when, as, all morning, the whole morning, all night, the whole evening.